So what we're doing today, we're gonna take this nice mirror off, remove this entire panel. Just to take this off, we have to remove all of this.
Probably not gonna be able to get that screw off now.
So we're gonna get a suede headliner coming in soon. So we'll be able to do that installation. Hopefully it'll look beautiful.
You know what? Maybe there's not even a screw in there.
Yep, everybody sees it. It's in there. Hold this right here for me. Oh, she's coming. Here she comes. She's off, but she's just release.
You gotta pop it. Yeah, that's there. Oh no, some foam glue just fell on the floor. What is that? My speaker.
Wow.
Cool. So there's just wires just, you know, chilling, hanging loose. And
Yeah, those aren't getting disconnected. It just hangs.
yeah,
Cool.
this piece just kind of pops out of here.
Done. New one. Or moderately new. New to us. Courtesy of Pick Apart. And it's not the right fucking connector. Here's what we're dealing with here. This is the one we picked up from Pick Apart. And this is the one from the car. Yeah, definitely not the right ones.
This guy is saying that that plug that I have on the new mirror contains my plug. And this piece just kind of...
Yeah, it's still not the connector we need.
Still not the connector. It's closer now. It's closer.
It's not this.
Closer than what we had.
So, after further investigation, we seem to have found out that these wires should just pop out.
Keyword, should.
Wow. Look at that. It does.
So convenient. Look at that. Just like you buy it in the store. Kinda. Just ignore that.
Well, you're gonna have one gray mirror.
Oh, that's fine. Oh, look at that. It's
Wow.
one gray mirror that folds. Cool. Alright.
Works. Wow. Oh my god. Pick
Look.
apart.
Look at that, folks. That is solid.
Alright, let's finish this.
Go ahead and pull this whole operation back up.
Yeah.
Okay. If you think so, Seth.
2 hours later.
All lined up here. Ready to go. Oh, I lost my phone. Damn it! I pulled the wires!
Oh no.
Alright. That's it.
Rage quitting?
Give me this. Give me this.
It just pulls it out of there.
2,000 years later.
Yes.
Just one shit show after another.
Absolutely. That just kind of, yeah, just sits there. Alright, cool. Well, we got ourselves a mirror and a partially attached door panel. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Feel free to check us out on social media. Our handle is RevEvolution TV on pretty much everything. And yeah, just remember to like and subscribe if you like to stay updated. Check our Instagram, and we always post funny stuff on Facebook, all that. So check us out.